Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn conversion of time. So let us start. Question 1. Convert 245 days into weeks. Students, as we have already learned in our previous video that 1 year is equal to 12 months and 1 year is equal to 365 days, 52 weeks and 1 day. और लीप ईयर में 366 डेज होते हैं, 52 वीक्स एंड 2 डेज होता है. सो लेट्स सॉल्व. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट 245 डेज में कितने वीक्स होते हैं. वी नो दैट 1 वीक इज इक्वल टू 7 डेज. इधर वी कैन से 7 डेज इज इक्वल टू 1 वीक. सो 1 day is equal to 1 upon 7 weeks. Therefore, 245 days is equal to 245 multiplied by 1 upon 7 weeks. Students, now we will multiply 245 by 1 और उसके बाद 7 से डिवाइड कर देंगे क्योंकि 1 वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं. So 245 multiplied by 1, we get 245 upon 7. Now let's divide 245 by 7. So 7 goes into 24. 3 times 3 sevens are 21. 24 minus 21, we get 3. Now we will bring down next digit which is 5. And 7 goes into 35 5 times. So 7 5s are 35. And 35 minus 35, we get 0. Thus, 245 days is equal to 35 weeks. Now, let us take one more question. Question 2. Convert 252 months into years. Students, as we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Either we can say 12 months is equal to 1 year. So 252 months में कितने years होते हैं ये पता करने के लिए हम 252 को 12 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि 252 months में कितने year होते हैं. So 252 multiplied by 1 upon 12 years. And here if we multiply 252 by 1 we get 252 upon 12. Now let us divide. So 12 goes into 25 2 times. 12 2s are 24 and 25 minus 24 we get 1. 2 minus 2 0. Now bring down the next digit which is 2 and 12 goes into 12 one time. 12 ones are 12. So 12 minus 12 we get 0. Thus 252 months is equal to 21 years. So students, this is how you can convert the given time. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time and your questions are here. So pause your video and please solve it. And we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.